makes this home so unique. What makes it unique is its design ethos, the thoughtful selection of materials, and the
So on this episode, we'll dive deep into all of its details, show you what it took to bring this project to life, and share an exciting announcement along the way. All right, everyone, once again, welcome to this stunning property. I am beyond excited for this tour. I'm very passionate about this home. The site, the architecture, what this home represents, we got so much to cover. Now, the house is set back from the street level, and beyond that, it is actually lower than the street level. Gates are opening up to this long curved driveway that takes you to the motor court, and I love the fact that the architecture of the home and this driveway is all built
sycamore trees throughout the property, and they just give so much character, life, and warmth to this environment.
In fact, as a foreigner, I didn't know what you call that as a verb, so I had to look it up. So these frogs are croaking, and to play into that, the homeowners here had their artist friend make a little frog sculpture as the door knock, which I thought was a very cool, fun touch. And now, let's go inside. The entry of this property is very soothing and inviting. We have curved plaster walls. So it's very minimalist. And then you can see the revealed details on the bottom of the walls, as well as the top. And the long hallway here takes you to the back of the property, which we're going to cover later. You have beautiful art throughout, linear. Now, without a doubt, the most impressive space in the entire property. The 15-foot high ceilings at this open volume, the amount of natural light that comes in, and even more importantly, how the outdoors are simply brought into the interiors. With these massive picture windows, casement openings, exterior doors. We have 8 bedrooms, 7 baths, 9,708 square feet of interior space, situated on 1.04 lush acres. On the market for $25,750,000. And I want to give big thanks to the listing agent, Blair Chang, for making this tour possible. And I also want to give big thanks. Now, I want to quickly welcome everybody to the seating area. Sectional couch, mid-century modern furniture, this gorgeous. And in fact, if you look at the ceiling, you can see that these 2 distinct seating sections are separated by this ceiling detail with a wooden trim. And within your arm's reach, you have the outdoors simply coming into your space. And then on the other side, we can see these curved.
They wrap this fireplace with brass plates. And the craftsmanship here.
The built-in shelf, this little section where you're hanging your fireplace accessories, and how this same brass clad goes into the, and the craftsmanship in this home is truly next level. I mean, the plaster work, the millwork throughout. And how all these windows, doors, openings are perfectly framed. It's exciting. I mean, I feel like for the artisans that have worked in this home, this was the project where they had the opportunity to showcase all of their talent and really go to the moon with what they can do within their given craft. And that's what's so exciting about this home. And given that it's also very minimalist, just adds up to the overall experience. I mean, it's truly one of a kind. Now we have 2 hallways, 1 on each side, leading you to the kitchen that we're going to see later. And now I want to quickly go this way. Again, to allow natural light to come into the space. Again, that also makes it very effortless, given that they're motorized. And then I want to quickly showcase this section where we have a step up to the second seating area.